Hello guys! Today it's rainy season, yeah? In Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah and Dubai, every place is in rain. So, always keep, if the babies are staying here, we should always keep this item. See, it's so rainy in seasons. So, always do for a little and bigger. See, the rain is so rain. So, have a nice day.